Okay, so in this video, we will try to solve quadratic equation using the quadratic formula. Okay, so we need to find the solution set. Okay po, pasensya na, medyo sinisipan ako. So, okay, our formula first with the quadratic formula is x is equal to negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So, siya yan. Okay? Ngayon, para magamit natin to, kailangan muna nating mahanap yung mga coefficient a, b, at c. Okay po? So, sa coefficient a, kung makikita nyo dito, siya yung katabi ni x squared. So, that's 1. Okay po? Coefficient 1 dito. Yung b naman, siya naman yung katabi ni linear term x. Okay? So, linear term with x, I mean. So, yun yung 2. Yung coefficient na 2. Tapos, yung letter C naman, siya naman yung constant, 5. Okay po? So, yan lang naman yung pagkakasunod-sunod yan. So, let's try to use the quadratic formula to solve for the solution set of this quadratic equation. X is equal to, okay, so, yung negative b, so, yung b natin is 2. So, magiging siyang negative 2. Palitan natin yung b ng 2 plus minus square root of, okay, yung b natin is 2 again. Squared natin siya. Minus 4. Yung a is 1. And yung c is 5. Okay? So, 5. Ito siya. Okay? So, 2. Ano yung a natin is 1. Okay? So, substitute lang natin ulit. Okay? So, sige, let's try to operate this. Negative times 2 is negative 2 plus minus square root of yung 2 squared natin, 2 times 2 is 4, okay? Minus 4 times 1 is 4 times 5 is 20. So this is 20. All over 2 times 1 is 2, okay? So x is equal to negative 2 plus minus. So square root of 4 minus 20 is, suot natin yung square root, negative 16. Okay? Kasi yung 4 bawasan mo ng 20, that's negative 16. All over 2. Okay? So, pagdating dito, pwede natin hiwalayin na to or pwede natin ilabas muna to. Okay? So, try mo natin ilabas si 16. Okay? X is equal to, okay, so negative 2 pa rin, plus minus, okay, yung square root natin or yung number natin sa loob ng square root, naka-negative po siya. So, maglalagay tayo ng I to remove that negative. Okay, I. Sa mga nahihirapan, remember po ng I is equal to square root of negative 1. Okay, para mawala yung negative sa loob, lagay tayo ng I dito sa labas. Square root of 16. Square root of 16 is, tawag dyan, 4. So, pwede natin ilagay ditong I times 4 or pwede din namang ilagay natin siya sa unahan. I-erase natin itong bilis. Okay, erase yan. So, 4I. Okay? Over 2. Diba? So, move natin dito yan para at least hindi tayo masyadong gumagamit ng space. X is equal to, so, pwede natin paghiwalayan. Negative 2 over 2 plus minus 4i over 2. Okay, so x is equal to negative divided by positive is still negative. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Okay, plus minus yung 4 divided by 2 is 2. So 2i. Ito na yung final answer natin. Okay? So, dalawa po yung sagot dyan na. Yung isa naka-positive, yung isa naka-negative. So, kung isusolution set natin yan, negative 1 plus 2i and negative 1 minus 2i. Okay? So, yan lang naman siya. Kuha po. By the way, review lang to ha. Ulitin ko lang po. Review lang po to. Kaya hindi ko masyadong in-explain ng sobrang detalyado. Okay? For lesser time lang kasi review lang naman. So, let's try this. Number 2. So, in number 2, as you can see, we'll always use the quadratic equation at quadratic formula since yun yung sinabing kailangan gamitin. Okay, sulat mo natin yung yung value ni A, B, at ni C. Okay? So, in this case, let's try to solve for this. Yung A natin is 2, yung B natin is 5, at yung C natin is 10. Okay? So, kanina sinabi ko lang paano ka nakuha yan. Yung 2 katabi ni x squared, yung 5 katabi ni x, at yung 10, siya yung constant. Okay po? So, let's use the quadratic formula. Kung baka lang ng onte, para at least mas maganda tingnan. Sobrang. Okay, sige. So, x is equal to negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac. Okay, so all over 2a. X is equal to, okay, in this case, diba? Yung ano natin, yung b natin is 5. So negative 5 plus minus square root of, yeah, so 5 squared minus 4. Yung A natin is 2. Okay? Tapos yung C natin is 10. So, move lang natin to para hindi maulanan. Tapos, let's go with the all over 2A. Yung 2, ang A natin is 2 din. So, 2 times 2. Okay? So, X is equal to negative 5 plus minus square root of 5 squared is 25 minus 4 times 2 is 8 times 10 is 80. So, 80. Okay, all over 4. Diba? So, x is equal to, lagay mo tayo ng fraction, parang pakita mo nito. Lagay mo tayo ng fraction bar. Negative 5 plus minus square root of 25 minus 80. Mag-negative ulit to. Okay? So, the 60, 55. Okay? So, 25 minus 80 is negative 55. Okay pa? So, wait lang. Yeah. So, dito tayo. So, pasensya na. Medyo hindi magandang pakiramdam ko kaya hindi maganda yung boses ko. Divide by 4. So, move natin dito para at least hindi na tayo mag-scroll down. X is equal to negative 5 plus minus yung square root natin nung ang square root ng negative 55 is wala. So, negative 55 pa rin siya. Pero yung I, pwede nating ilabas. So, yung negative sa loob, pwede nating ilabas. So, I square root of 55 all over 4. So, since wala naman tayong magagawa na dito, ito na yung final answer natin. Okay? Solution set nito is negative 5 plus I square root of 55 over 4 negative 5 minus I square root of 55 over 4 also. So, ito na siya. Okay? Ito po siya. So, pag hindi mo alam yung square root, kahit yung sa square root ng, sorry, square root na lalagay mo, para hindi ka na mahirapan. Okay? So, let's go with the last question. So, number 3. Ito may naka-negative. So, try natin to. So, yung A natin dito is equal sa negative 2. Yung B natin is equal to 4. At yung C natin is equal to 12. Okay? So, X is equal to, so, negative B plus minus square root of B squared minus 4AC over 2A or all over 2A. So, X is equal to, ito wala. Yung negative B natin or yung B natin is 4. So, magiging negative 4 siya plus minus square root of ang B squared is, so ito natin, B raised to 4 raised to the second power. Minus 4, yung A natin is negative 2, tapos yung C natin is 12. Wow, ang laki ah. Sige, so all over 2, yung A natin is negative 2. Wow, may negative sa ilalim. Sige, try natin to. So, X is equal to negative 4 plus minus square root of, yung 4 squared is 16. Okay, hindi yan 4 plus 4 ah. 4 times 4 yan. Okay? So, minus. In this case, negative times negative is positive. Times positive, so positive lalabas dito. Okay? Negative times negative, positive. Times positive, still positive. So, 4 times 2 is, wait lang. 4 times 2 is 8 times 12 natin is equal to 96. So, here we'll put 96. Okay po. All over, haba na masyado. So, dikita natin ng konti. Yan. Sige. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. Okay? So, 96 plus natin siya sa 16. Okay? So, diretso natin, ay lipat lang natin para hindi tayo bumaba. X is equal to negative 4 plus minus. So, 16 plus 96 is squared mo lagay natin 1, 1, 2, or 100, 12. Okay, all over negative 4. So, check natin kung ano yung square root ni 112 for square root of 7. So, by the way, gumagamit ako ng calculator kasi hindi ko ito ipakandam ko. Hindi ko masyado makita. Or hindi ko masyado makompute na mano-mano. So, x is equal to negative 4 plus minus 4 square root of 7. Okay? All over negative 4. Pag hiwalay natin, x is equal to negative 4 over negative 4 plus minus 4 square root of 7 over negative 4. Okay po? So, kung mapansin nyo dito, x is equal to, ito magiging 1. Negative 4 divided by negative 4 is 1 plus minus, so in this case, no, 4 divided by negative 4, magiging siyang negative na lang. So, negative square root of 7. Okay? Kasi ito magiging 1 na lang to, or negative 1, I mean. So, ito na siya. Pag sinulat natin siya sa, Pag sinulat natin yan sa solution set, so 1 plus, yung plus muna. So, positive times negative is negative square root of 7. So, yung kabila naman is 1. Negative times negative is positive. So, plus square root of 7. Okay, so ito yung sagot. Yan lang siya kadali. Kuha pa. So, yan lang. Thank you.